Friends, do you know? We've long known that yoga offers a host of physical benefits, including increased flexibility, a healthier weight, and possibly even stronger bones. But many yogis also practice for the less visual effects of the exercise. Yoga holds the power to transform our minds as much as it does our bodies. Here, some of the mental benefits of yoga. Yoga may help those with bipolar disorder. It's a serious stress buster. Research shows that mindfulness-based stress reduction, like that at yoga's core, can help lower anxiety and stress. When we're overstressed, our bodies lose the ability to regulate our inflammatory response, which can lead to a long list of health problems, including a greater risk of depression. By lowering our stress levels, we can also lower the risk of depression. Yoga boosts brain power. Not only do poses like downward dogs relax and de-stress, but they may actually increase brain function. It can increase happiness. Ever notice how strong, centered, and happy you feel after a yoga session? It turns out it's not all in your head. Research shows that the simple act of living in the moment boosts moods. On average, we spend almost half of our time planning ahead or contemplating the past, and staying in the present is often easier said than done. But yoga helps us focus on the present by providing both physical and mental exercises. That's why yoga instructors often encourage reflection and living in the moment during class, rather than simply running through the poses. Yoga's mental aspect brings a whole new meaning to the phrase blessing out. Friends, if you like this information, share it with others. Like and subscribe to our channel to learn similar interesting information. Thank you so much for watching the video.